So this watermelon tendril had turned brown about 2 weeks now. The tendril is the thing that tells you right here, the closest to your watermelon between the leaf and the main stem, this little twirly thing right here. Once that's brown, your watermelon is ripe. But it's not always true, because I did harvest once before and it did not ripe. Even if you have the yellow spot on the bottom, sometimes it's not guaranteed. So what are you going to do? Make sure to get a brown tendril, get a yellow spot on the bottom, and then knock. Listen to the sound. If it sounds hollow, it's good to go. Another thing, what you could do too, if you watch it, the color will get dull. It's not like a bright green. It will be green, but not too bright. It will be a dark, dull green color. Go cut it right now to show you guys how it looks, and I do have a couple more coming up. There goes all my long waiting. If you guys remember, I did a lot of update video, and everybody's like, this watermelon is taking forever, probably. Oh man. So you guys take a look. Not bad, right? This is juicy, delicious. It tastes 10 times better from the store. And even that Jubilee watermelon I had earlier was delicious. This is the Crimson Sweet. Just cut it up, and I'm gonna try a piece to show you guys. You can see all the juice coming out. Backyard watermelon is the best. Look at this. So I feel like this watermelon took forever, but this is the moment. It doesn't matter if it's red, 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 or pink, 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 or pink and red. It matters how it tastes and juicy. Wow. Wow. I can't even talk. So this thing is delicious. Holy smoke. It's really, really delicious. I'll take another bite. The kids are gonna be eating like crazy, and I'm gonna give my pet pig Pepper. I'm gonna give my neighbor a piece of it to try. It was well worth waiting. So now it's not my first year growing watermelon. I grow watermelon several years, and what I do, I don't go always with the tendril brown. As I told you, the tendril get brown. Give it another week. This was like a week and a half to 2 even when the tendril was brown, and I didn't harvest it. I don't have the yellow spot fully because I have it in a basket. It's a great idea to put something underneath of your watermelon. A lot of people grow their watermelon upward on a tendril, which you're not going to get a yellow spot for sure. So you got to base on the tendril. And say sometimes you don't have a tendril, you got to look at your watermelon. If the size seems stuck, it's not getting any bigger, that's one indication. Then all right, now it's getting time to ripe. Look at your watermelon. If the color is not bright anymore, it's like, but if the color is dull and it's still green, give it a good knock. And if you hear it, it's really hollow, then you could harvest. If it sounds like semi hollow, but you could hear, like, you could feel like it's still hard, leave it another like 4 or 5 days. Don't rush it. Leave it another 4 or 5 days and then come back and harvest. All right, thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe.